Hello, hello everyone. Uh, this is Ron come back again with another video on the billing system. For the billing systems, we are going to give you billing systems until you get the one you'll be getting used to it, the one you'll be comfortable with it to use. So we have to review each billing system on its own, and people will make decisions according to many things: how it's giving customer service, how it's integrated into your business, and how easy it is to operate within your system, and the payment methods which are used, and how far it can go within countries because different countries use different billing systems, different payment gateways, all those stuff. So we are giving all those billing systems according, and people will decide which billing system is going to use and all the stuff. So in this video now I'm going to review a billing system which would help different countries at large, not only Uganda but even other countries, according to that payment gateway they will be using that can help them to do the whole stuff and all the services they would need in their country at large. We have Zenfi, the one we have been using. Many people, they know it. We did a review on it. This is the Zenfi billing system and other stuff. And we have another one, but this, why I've decided to make kinda a review onto it, the way how it does it things, and how it's no, sometimes in this business you have to think outside the box, not only here or on another stuff. Like for this billing system, why I've came to like it, it has payment gateways which are applied in many countries. As you can see here, there is Ghana, the Paystack, Flutterwave, all East African countries are using it. PayPal, wherever you are, you can use PayPal. Even Stripe, many banks, they are having this integration. So it becomes easier for you to make the business with it, and becomes quite easy for any country to get hooked up with. Though for the people in Ghana already, the APIs it's already integrated and it's easy for them to make the purchase with ease within Ghana. So the billing system which I brought for you today, it's Voucherbeam. If you want to go to Voucherbeam, what you do, you come to your browser, then you type Voucherbeam.com. This billing system is very easy. It's very to get hooked up with. This is a review about it. It's a cloud hotspot control and wholesale resellers for MikroTik. Someone can become a reseller within your hotspot business. The moment you extend your internet, someone can come and get a portion within your business and sells the vouchers. You give him a portion of that business. Doesn't need necessarily to make a hotspot, but it helps him to make a business. Like you have a shop, and this internet which you're having reaches in that area. That means you can sell that internet by you becoming a reseller in this hotspot business of anyone using this billing system. This is also an added advantage where can help other people in doing that. You can generate, you can manage, you can monetize your Wi-Fi vouchers effectively, empower sub-agents also with wholesale bandwidth polls, even automated payment gateways collections at any time you want. Even printing vouchers, it's very easy. It's even to integrate the clients, you can monitor them on the active sessions, resell active, Alright, without making you to delay, I've already created an account. As you see, the router is already even integrated to this billing system, and it's easy to integrate that router into it. You can check even the CPU usage of that MikroTik when after being uploaded. And before doing anything, your MikroTik should be on the latest version, at least from version 7. That's when it will work very well and do the needful for your hotspot business without having any issue. Here, it's where you'll be seeing the active hotspot users on your internet. And the total registered users, you'll be seeing them from here, and the free memory space within your MikroTik. Okay guys, for a quick review on that, that's it on the dashboard. Let's go deeper down. Then here you can see the ports, how they are connected, the running. As you can see, the MikroTik, it shows Ether1, it's running. That means it's providing internet to this, and the bridge is also running since it's always connected to the MikroTik. The moment it gets internet, as you can see, it's a Voucherbeam bridge. It's already getting internet even on the loopback since it's running. So everything on this billing system is smooth, easy to go with. For the billing it's kinda cheap. Any country it can have its own initials or the currency we'd use, even the date paid. All the stuff are monitored on this billing. Here it's where the resellers can get the account. As you can see, I had to do the test before doing this video to know everything what's needed. Here you can fill the reseller and give the password which will be using that reseller if someone wants to sell your internet besides you, wherever your internet reaches without you being there. Some people you can give them a package and they can charge according which bandwidth they have, and they know how they will charge those plans without you being like to charge them this and this and this according to the money they want. So let's go like on the vouchers. They are easy to be made, like how you know other billing system. Even integrating a software or anything, I have decided to make some profiles and vouchers for this billing system to see how it works very well, and it's kinda easy to be used. And as I had told you, it's a billing system which can operate everywhere, wherever you are, cause the payment gateways which have been added to this billing system, they are can be applicable in any country where you are. Like for those in East Africa, you can use Flutterwave. Those who have PayPal, you can use your PayPal account to do the payments. Those many people that are like Paystack, Nigerians, they are always using this and all the stuff. And this, like Stripe, it's always integrated in any bank. Here for Nigeria, for Ghana people, it's very easy. It's very easy to use since the billing system actually it was also programmed from Ghana. Becomes easier for them to make the business very well and easy to do the needful. On the hotspot templates, you can select the template which you want to use on your hotspot. If you want to put the adverts, also it becomes easier for you. And it's an open source code where you can download the source and upload it. It's very easy. You can do whatever you want with this billing system. Even the documentations, if you want to change anything on your hotspot business, becomes easier for you. On the e-wallet systems, management vouchers, anything becomes easier for you to do anything if you want to research. And these videos we are also making, they will be helping you to do all the needful on how to make vouchers. We'll go part per part within the videos so that you can get how to do and integrate everything into this system. So don't hesitate to use this. It's very easy to use. It's a best billing system so far which you can use wherever you are. Even you can monitor the good thing with it. You can monitor the access points which are added into your hotspot business, and you see here they are showing Ether1. It's the one It's uplink gateway. Already it's providing internet. If you abroad, like you plug in APs here, if you add access points to this MikroTik, here they will show connected, and you can monitor all users which are connected to your access points. And if it's having any fault, it's easy for you to monitor that access point and know this access point in my system, it's having issues, and you know what to do and how to troubleshoot, and know the IP address to detect that access point very well for those who are chaining and doing all the stuff. Even there are additional settings when you click on them. All these that prevent bandwidth loss and power outage, everything you can monitor them from here. So this is a kind of a billing system you'd use for your hotspot business. If you're interested, just inbox us. We can help you out to integrate all this and help you to troubleshoot in case of any issue. So that's a simple review about this billing system. If you have been there struggling with that in any country, don't hesitate to inbox us. We can sort you out with ease. So thank you to watch this far.